Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up our new print size preview functionality. To get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab and down into Selling Preferences. Within the Selling Preferences page, there's a section labeled Sizing Scenes. We're going to click on that. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of different options within the scenes for sizing previews, and the first one is this image measurement unit. The image measurement unit is either inches or centimeters, depending on how you have your print sizes set up within your purchase options. For most people, inches is going to be the correct setting, so we'll leave it there. And underneath that, we have our scene selection. The different scenes that are available here include everything from desktops to walls to bedrooms, living rooms, and then blank spaces here that are great for showing larger print sizes. We're going to select a variety of sizes so that our clients can see their prints in a variety of different settings. We'll select a desktop, maybe something over a bookcase. Then we'll select a bedroom, a living room, and then a large wall for some of the larger prints. Once you have that all selected, click the Save Preferences button at the bottom. And then I'll take you into a gallery so you can see what it looks like from your client side. Alright, so to view my gallery, I'll click on my little settings icon over here, click View the Gallery. I'll go into it, and I'll just pick the first image, or I'll just click the To Cart icon in that first image. If you have any scenes selected, you'll see this new Print Size Preview button at the top. If we click that, and you can see here the first scene. This is a 2.5 by 3 inch print on a desk scene. We can increase the print sizes here, and you can see that we have additional scenes that pop up as the size allows for it. Let's go ahead and select this other scene here. You can see how it looks here. And then as we get bigger, so for example, this is a 16 by 20, then we can move to bedrooms, couches, walls, and then we can click to view the larger images here. Once you're done viewing the scenes, or once your clients are done viewing the scenes, just X out, then they can purchase their images as they normally would. And that's all there is to it. Through the print size previews, your clients can see that the smaller images, like for example a 5 by 7 or an 8 by 10, might not be the best size for putting on their living room wall, and it'll give them the opportunity to see a larger print on that wall to see how it might better fit for them. Hope that helps. Shoot us an email at support@Instaproofs if you have any questions.